What's up, guys? I'm coming at you today with a little EDC. I'm off today, so it's kind of a no frills deal. I got a Timex Expedition watch, the Indiglo. You know, it's not a really super expensive watch, but it's a nice looking watch, and I kind of really dig it. I've got a Glock 26 with a Glock sports holster, which, I carry it on a belt. You could conceal it or open or, whatever. This rides really high on you and close to you, so, you can throw a shirt over it or open it or whatever you want to do. I've got an old nasty habit, some Copenhagen snuff. I pretty much carry with me all the time. For fire, I mix that up from time to time. I got a cheap, it's not a Zippo, I call it a Fliplo. It is a China-made type deal, just a really, really cheap thing. For a flashlight, I've got a Ultrafire WF501B, a one mode, one-click flashlight, 200 lumens. Got a video on that if y'all want to check it out. For a knife, I've got little auto. It is a automat Kalashnikov 74, which better known as the AK-74. It's an aluminum scale knife, really tough knife. When I'm off, I try to carry automatic a little bit. Can't carry them at work because they're illegal. But anyway, I thought I'd show it to you. I've got just a plain black leather wallet. Nothing special about it. Let's see if we can pick up the Carolina Panthers logo on there. It's fading off. Anyway, I thought I'd show y'all what I was carrying today. I'm off, so it's kind of simple. Anyway, I hope everybody has a good day. I appreciate y'all watching, and y'all be cool.